Hi, let me show you how simple it is to work with file versioning. But first, let me remind you that this is only enabled for hot type volumes. Let's go inside one. As you can see, this file has only one version at this time, and now we're going to open it and do some editing and save it. This will create a new version of the file. So if you right click and go to Vawlt File History, now you can see the two versions that I'm working with. If I open the file, I'm with version 2 with 2 slides, okay? But now I can roll back to a different version. Let's go to the first one and apply. If we open the file now, you'll see it only has one slide as it was in the beginning. So this is how file versioning works with Vawlt. Every 5 minutes we'll do a new version with all the editing that you've done in that time span. We can go up to 5 versions and you can roll back to any version you would like. So this is it. Let us know if you have some questions.